Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If you've ever dreamed of a perfect getaway cabin with million-dollar views, but were intimidated by the nightmare of remote construction, today's topic is your solution. We are exploring the cutting-edge intersection of architecture and logistics, modern prefab remote house designs. These homes are redefining luxury living off the grid. We'll show you the magic behind this trend and count down our top 10 best modern prefab remote house designs that prove factory-built can mean architectural genius. A modern prefab remote house design refers to a home that combines three key elements: modern architecture, which emphasizes clean lines, open floor plans, large glass windows, and a minimalist aesthetic; prefabrication, or modular construction, meaning the structure or components are built in sections off-site in a controlled factory environment, and a remote location, indicating the final assembly site is often challenging, hard to access, or far from traditional infrastructure. These homes are engineered to be delivered and assembled quickly on difficult terrain, providing highly insulated, energy-efficient, and architecturally striking dwellings that harmonize with rugged, natural environments. The benefits of choosing a modern prefab home for a remote location are vast and highly practical. The primary advantage is speed and predictability. Since up to 90% of the build occurs off-site in a climate-controlled factory, the construction timeline is drastically reduced and is not affected by harsh weather or site access issues. This also translates to cost certainty, as material and labor costs are locked in before the modules even leave the factory floor, minimizing the risk of expensive overruns common with traditional remote construction. Furthermore, modern prefabs are inherently designed for superior energy efficiency. The controlled manufacturing process allows for extremely tight seals, high-performance insulation, and precision engineering that results in an airtight building envelope, leading to significantly lower long-term heating and cooling costs, a crucial feature for off-grid or remote living. To ensure your modern prefab looks stunning and feels integrated with its remote setting, focus on high-quality, nature-inspired finishes and thoughtful connections to the landscape. Use natural exterior cladding like charred cedar, shosugi-ban, vertical wood siding, or board-formed concrete that will age beautifully and weather naturally. Avoid ornate decorations and stick to the clean lines of the modern aesthetic. Massive floor-to-ceiling windows are a must. They are the primary decorative element, acting as frames for the remote view. To visually connect the home to the ground, add large, low-profile decks or patios made of durable composite or reclaimed wood that extend the living space outward. Finally, utilize minimal, strategic landscaping with native plants, stones, and gravel to blend the modern structure seamlessly into the natural topography, avoiding manicured lawns in favor of a rugged, integrated look. Now, let's stop dreaming and start admiring. Get ready to see the ultimate examples of architectural brilliance meeting remote tranquility, as we present the Top 10 Best Modern Prefab Remote House Designs. One. The Cantilevered Forest Watchtower. This dramatic design features a dark, minimalist cube structure spectacularly cantilevered over a sloping forest floor. The upper module boasts a wall of floor-to-ceiling glass, offering a panoramic view that maximizes the feeling of being suspended in the trees. The dark wood and black metal cladding allowed the home to recede visually into the deep shadows of the remote woodland setting. 2. The sleek black box retreat. A beautiful example of Scandinavian minimalist style. This home uses a single, elongated black module elevated on a simple foundation. The facade is broken only by vertical wooden slats on the entrance, and a massive glazed wall on the viewing side. The contrast between the dark cladding and the bright, snow-covered ground creates a stunning, graphic visual statement. 3. The desert wood and glass oasis nestled into a dry, arid landscape. This prefab home utilizes a mix of warm wood cladding and sleek gray siding. The low-profile design and wide, horizontal windows emphasize the expansive nature of the desert's surroundings. The extensive wooden deck extends the living space directly into the rugged terrain, perfectly blending the modern aesthetic with the remote locale. 4. The twin module valley view. This design consists of two distinct modular boxes connected by a central, fully glazed corridor or entry space. The dark, vertical wood siding provides a warm, natural texture. Set high on a hillside, the structure's parallel orientation ensures that both living wings capture unobstructed, sweeping views of the remote valley below. 5. The modern cedar cabin. This classic yet contemporary design features a shed roof and is clad entirely in natural cedar or similar light wood, offering a warm contrast to the bright white snow. The large, dark-framed windows are strategically placed to maximize light and frame intimate views of the surrounding, remote forest, making it the perfect year-round cabin. 6. The elevated multi-level retreat. This sophisticated prefab utilizes a staggered, multi-level design to conform to a sloped site. The exterior features a mix of dark gray cladding and light natural wood accents. The different modules are offset, creating covered outdoor areas and multiple private decks that offer residents several vantage points for taking in the remote, mountainous vista. 7. The lakeside vertical wood tower situated on the edge of a pristine lake. This design uses tall, vertical wood planks for a striking, textural facade. The home stands tall to maximize the vertical view, with a lower module extending toward the water. The material choice anchors the modern form firmly within the natural, remote landscape. 8. The concrete and glass minimalist box embodying pure modern minimalism. This house uses a clean, light gray composite or concrete finish that provides a rugged, durable shell. The design is simple, elevated above the terrain, and features expansive, uninterrupted glass sections that completely eliminate the visual barrier between the cozy interior and the vast, remote and natural environment. 9. The mountain slope connector. Perfect for extreme remote locations. This home consists of two box-like modules joined by a large, central glass wall. It is positioned high on a rocky slope, utilizing a blend of dark metal and wood paneling. The design's strength lies in its low impact and ability to be quickly assembled in a setting that would be nearly impossible for traditional builders. 10. The ultra-compact Scandi Pod. This image showcases a smaller, ultra-compact prefab unit, perhaps a guest house or studio, clad in natural wood with a distinctive geometric profile. The minimal footprint and simple construction make it ideal for highly remote or environmentally sensitive sites, proving that even small prefabs can deliver high-end, modern design with big views. Modern prefab remote house designs are far more than just trendy. They are a logical, sustainable, and architecturally beautiful answer to building high-quality homes in the places we love most. Places where traditional construction is often too costly, slow, and disruptive. By merging factory precision with world-class design, we can now achieve our dream of a secluded, nature-integrated sanctuary faster and smarter than ever before. Which of these breathtaking remote retreats captured your imagination? Would you choose the mountain cantilever or the lakeside cabin? Tell us your favorite number in the comments below. If this video gave you the inspiration to start planning your perfect getaway, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more amazing architectural ideas, and ring the notification bell to join our community.